In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an animated display picture on your Gmail profile. It's a fun way to add a bit of personality to your email communications, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by ensuring you have an animated GIF or a short video ready, as these are the formats that work well for animated display pictures. If you don't have one, there are plenty of online resources where you can create or download an animated GIF of your choice. Once you have your animation file saved on your device, you're ready to begin. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, you'll want to type "How to set an animated DP on Gmail profile picture" and hit enter. This will pull up a variety of guides and resources that can help you with the specifics. Click on the link that appears most relevant to your needs or that takes you to a guide you're comfortable following. Once you're on the page with the appropriate guide, look for detailed instructions on how to upload an animated picture. Generally, the process involves logging into your Gmail account, so go ahead and sign in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of your Gmail homepage. Locate the circle in the top right corner of the screen. It should have either your current profile picture or your initial if you haven't set a photo yet. Click on this circle to expand a drop-down menu, then select Change or Manage your Google account, depending on what you see. In the area that allows you to change your profile picture, there should be an option to Upload Photo. Click on this, and then navigate through your files to find the animated GIF or video you've chosen. Select your file and click Open to upload it. Here's a key tip. Make sure the file size and dimensions meet Google's requirements to ensure it displays correctly. Once the file is uploaded, you'll probably be asked to adjust the animation to fit within a circular frame. Use the editing tools provided to position the animation just how you'd like it. After you're satisfied with the placement, click Save or Set as Profile Photo. And there you have it. You should now see your newly animated display picture on your Gmail account. Take this time to send a test email to a friend or even to yourself to see how it appears. That wraps up our guide on setting an animated display picture for your Gmail profile. Remember, a touch of creativity can go a long way in making your digital interactions more engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tech tips and tricks.